So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my healthy morning routine, which always starts off with some lemon water. It's really important to hydrate first thing when you wake up, and it's also really good for digestion. Once I finish that, it is time for my favorite part of the morning, which is my morning cup of coffee. I always pre-warm my mug so that when we make our coffee, we're putting it into a warm mug as opposed to a cool one. And I really find that this helps keep the coffee hotter a lot longer. And I like to use a pour over and just gently pour the hot water on top and make a nice delicious cup that I can enjoy and have some nice quiet time. Once I have drank a little bit of my coffee, I move on to my cleansing ritual, and I like to use some Palo Santo, and I'll move that all around myself and the house. And Palo Santo is really great for removing negative energy as opposed to sage, which kind of clears all energy. So I also do my door to kind of protect my door from anything that comes in and out, as well as my bed for anything that happened during the night. Then I like to do some breath work. So this is just the Wim Hof breathing. It's like 10 minutes long. It's really good. I sped it up here. This is not actually how fast it goes, but I find it really helps to make your mind clear, and it really helps me get a better morning meditation. So at this point, after the breath work, I move into a 30-minute meditation. I do this every single day, and I really find it makes a huge difference. Once I'm done that, the sun is starting to rise, and I move over to my abundance kriya, and I use these mala beads because there's 108 of them, and you need to say it 108 times, so it helps me count through. Then sometimes I'll pick an oracle card, sometimes not, but I like to do that. It kind of just gives you some guidance from spirit guides. And then I will move on to journaling. I love doing this. It really helps you to not only show gratitude, but also help with visualization and manifesting things that I want in the future, but also for the day. I do also like to use this sage rose mist that I'll mist over myself after I'm done that. And then I'll move back to making my bed. So I kind of don't make my bed until after I've done all of these things, and then I will make it afterward. Then I like to do a little bit of a morning movement or workout, especially right now when we're inside. I like to do some Pilates and some abs, so I will link both of them down below. This ab workout is so good. And then I do this Pilates one that just uses a resistance band and some kitchen towels. It is a lot harder than it looks, guys. Trust me. I'm sore for a couple days after, so I really like this one. I've tried so many at-home workouts, and these two are like the ones that I'm rotating right now, or like doing on the days that I do workouts. I find it really targets like your glutes without targeting too much of your quads. So then I move on to a contrast shower. I always take a contrast shower, which means you do hot and cold. It's really good for your immune system and for energy. And these are some of the products that I use in the shower. So my shampoo, conditioner, shave cream, body wash, and these are the facial products and the deodorant and body lotion that I like to use. So then I thought I would show you my morning smoothie. So I've been using this Sigmatic one that is really yummy. It's chocolate. I've been obsessed with chocolate smoothies, as you guys have seen from my Instagram. And then I like to add in flax as well as some nut butter and some almond milk. Sometimes I'll add ice, sometimes not. It depends on what I'm feeling that day or how cold of a smoothie I want, but I blend that all together. And then I will enjoy my nice raw cacao smoothie full of antioxidants and magnesium and everything like that. And then before I get back to the computer, I like to just get my diffuser going. So I'm using this Exhale one by Sage, and it really helps to just clean and cleanse the air all day long. So I love to have that going, and I kind of just choose a different scent every week. Then I will sit down, drink my smoothie, and get to work. And that is my morning routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to get a peek into kind of like the rituals and routine that I have in the morning. And I will see you guys in my next video.